Basic WordPress Settings Introduction. WordPress Dashboard Setting to General. In General, there is a title, tagline, site icon. From the Dashboard General, the title, icon, and tagline, along with the membership icon, can be turned on, so that anyone can log into the website and create an account. And from here, you can set how the time zone and date format will look. Then just below General is Writing. In this writing of the dashboard, you can set how the post category and post format will look by default. And finally, click on Save Changes to save. After that, come to Reading. In the reading below, you can set how the homepage display will look like, which will be the homepage and which will be its blog post, and how many posts will be shown on each blog page. Another important thing is the visibility of the search engine. If it is ticked, then Google will not index it, and if you search, you won't find it. If you want to get such a tutorial, then comment. And we are working on website building with document editing services. You can contact us for such services. Thank you.